fella. Hop on over there into your new home.
About going along with you on your mouse-catching job. Why, I've never even seen a mouse before, because you've never taken me mouse-catching before. You're being a real pal to your little son, Father, and a father who is a pal to his son, like you're being to...
Oh, knock it off, will you, son?
But, Father, I just...
Shh! Quiet. A mouse. Now watch closely, son, and you'll see a real expert at work.
Oh, Father, I'm ever so excited. Father, why are you chasing this little thing for, Father?
Why? Because that little thing's a mouse. That's why.
A mouse? Why, Father, you always told me a mouse was a great, big, ferocious...
Never mind what I told you. Well, you see, son, mice come in assorted sizes. Little runties, like the ones around here, to great big king-sized giant mice, like I used to hunt.
Really? Like that one over there? Is that a giant mouse like you used to hunt, Father?
Huh? Why, yes, it is.
Oh, Father, now you can be my daddy and my mummy, too.
Ew,